no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, nice to meet you. My name is Mr. Small. You might see me teaching social studies here at Deering High School.
Hi, I'm Chris Perkle, and you'll see me teaching freshman English.
Hi, welcome to Deering High School. My name is Rhonda Beck. I teach freshman mathematics.
Good morning. My name is Mr. Ahmed, and I teach science and Arabic at the Deering High School.
Hey there, I'm Mr. Kennedy. I work here at Deering in special education.
Hey everyone, my name's Tim Eisenhart. I teach mathematics here at Deering High School.
Hi, I'm Ms. Schneider, and I'm an ELL teacher here at Deering.
Hi, my name is Dan Legage. I teach freshman earth science and engineering and robotics.
Hi, my name is Ann Hall. You'll be seeing me teaching English today.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Billings, and I'm a literacy coach and a member of the Freshman Collaborative.
I love teaching at Deering High School because there's so much energy here. The kids are so involved. They're very passionate about academics, they're passionate about sports, they're passionate about drama, art club, whatever it is that they're involved in.
What I love about Deering is the diversity of all its students and seeing students working together across all differences, both socioeconomical and cultural, and everybody getting involved in the different clubs.
What I love most about teaching at Deering is the kids. We have an amazing group of kids, upperclassmen through freshmen. We just have a great community of learners.
I've been really impressed with how much the freshman teachers care about the success of students and what they're willing to do in order to help them, and hopefully you next year, succeed.
I think that this is an amazing school. One of the things I like about it best is it's a great community. This school has something for everyone.
The thing I love most about Deering High School is the student sense of pride in the school, and the student athletes and our academics and the clubs that we host here at Deering.
One thing I love about teaching at Deering High School is the students, of course. We have great students here, diverse, interesting, talented group of kids, and I enjoy working with them every day.
You have to keep an open mind about learning, trying new things, and making new friends.
Try your hardest at everything that you want to do. Ask for help when you need it. We're all here, and we want to help, and we're willing to help, so take advantage of that.
Get involved in your school community, either through clubs and activities or athletics. It's a great way to meet new people.
Come to school every day and come to school prepared.
Be fearless. Be fearless in your education. Be fearless in making new friends. Be fearless in any aspect of the high school experience.
To take advantage of all the co-curricular activities, the classes, try out for the sports, try out for acting.
Well, to get involved. I mean, there's a lot of clubs and things to do.
Find an upperclassman who's been really successful and ask them what are the keys to that success, and then take their advice.
I'm going to give you a little bit of advice. You've probably been told to join clubs, find sports activities to do, find a team that you can be involved with. All good advice. And that's important, and you should do that. But I've got some advice for you, gentlemen. Shorts do not count as pants. When we have single-digit temperatures out there, pulling elites up to your knees and wearing long shorts does not meet proper clothing standards for winter. Ladies, my advice for you, don't talk to the boys until you are both 25 years of age. Good luck with that.
So I hope everyone has a great day, and I look forward to meeting you.
Thank you very much for coming to Deering High School. And
Welcome to Deering.
Welcome to Deering High School.
Welcome to Deering High School.